morning everyone. Myself Dr. Sheetal Banerjee, Assistant Professor from Department of Zoology, Dhotebandhu Science College, Gondia. I am hereby presenting a paper on curbing household pest menace with do-it-yourself boric acid formulations in this international e-conference on sustainable development, a biological and socio-economical perspective. Dear friends, during this COVID-19 outbreak, government have ordered the shutdown of non-critical businesses and services to reduce the transmission of the virus to protect the population. During this time, buildings in multiple sectors are affected, including commercial, hotels, restaurants, education, industrial and residential areas where homeowners will be reluctant to allow people in order to protect themselves from infection. This has left many buildings lying empty or with much reduced human presence, resulting in greater risk of pest and maintenance problems. As communities are staying inside and in many cases at home to prevent the spread of COVID-19, pests such as rodents, cockroaches, flies, houseflies, etc. have started seeking new locations for water, food and shelter. During this period of change, homeowners may see pests in new and different places. Boric acid is a secret ingredient of lot many insecticides and pesticides. Present paper is an attempt to analyze various do-it-yourself, very easy and eco-friendly boric acid formulations to curb the household pest. This is a slide which shows different types of pests such as termites, silverfish, centipede, spider, wasp, moth, bees, ants, fleas, mosquitoes, various rodents, mice, cockroaches, flies, raccoons, squirrel, birds are, although they are not effective pests, but if they hamper the human beings, then they can be considered as the pest. Now, what is a boric acid? Boric acid, the chemical formula of boric acid is BOH3. It is also known to some as hydrogen borate or boric acid or acidum boricum, which is characterized as a colorless crystal or white powder that easily dissolves in water. Boric acid is most often used in pesticides and can be found in tablet form, liquid form, powder form and in various types of threads. It kills insects by absorbing into them, poisoning their stomachs, affecting their metabolism and abrading their exoskeletons. When pests come into contact with it, whether through a trap or through walking across it, a thin layer of it sticks to them and they ingest it while cleaning themselves and thus get dyes. Most of the baits containing this compound usually only a 5% formulation of boric acid, since high amounts of it can repel insects. These are certain formulations. The most foremost formulation is DIY Red Killer formulation, in which 1 part of boric acid is mixed with 2 parts of peanut butter and the dough is shaped into pea-sized balls, and it is left for the rats to ingest overnight. Termite killer. If borate solution is prepared by dissolving 1 teaspoon of boric acid with 8 ounces of warm water, it creates a borate solution of approximately 2% concentration. It can be sprayed onto the wooden surfaces or infested soil. This slide shows the cockroach bait, how the cockroach baits are prepared by using boric acid. 3 parts of boric acid can be used with 1 part of powdered sugar and it can be spread on the shells or on the area where cockroaches are there. One of the important second method of making the cockroach balls is that 1 medium-sized onion is finely chopped. It is mixed with 200 grams of boric acid, 1 cup of flour or corn starch and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then milk is added to the mixture to form a dough and the roll is cut into 1 to 2 centimeter balls. It has been found that the larger size of balls are more effective as it contains more number of onion chops. It is a chemical, it is a formulation in which by which we can prepare the ant killer, in which 1 teaspoon of boric acid is mixed with 10 teaspoons of sugar and 2 cups of water. Then cotton balls are put inside and it is allowed to soak. Then these soaked cotton balls are used in the areas where ants are present. Eventually, they get so attracted to the water, and when they leave the area, they take along with them the boric acid with them to their colony. It is a formulation which shows that lawn pest repellent can also be prepared at home. Boric acid is dissolved in warm water to create the killer spray. Afterwards, it is mixed with half cup of water. The mixture is stirred until it is dissolved. Then it is diluted with 2.5 gallons of water to kill pests around the house. If we want to use it as a mold spray, just the formulation has to be changed and it is combined with 1 cup of boric acid with 1 gallon of water, and all the mold spores over the house can be eliminated. These eco-friendly formulations are safe and economic, hence recommended for use especially during the COVID-19 crisis when we all are following social distancing and all the preventive measures to get rid of the household pests. Thank you.